Hello, I'm going to show you about this application called Google Fit. The first thing is basically you have to click profile, and in profile you sign up with your email address. You can put your activity goals, which is different. The hard points, you will learn about hard points and set goals around that. Your gender, your birth date, your weight, and your height. That's the basic settings which you do. Units you can set up if you go to settings, calories, and all those other things which you can just set up as an add-on option. What next you have to do is, normally when you go for a workout, this is the main screen. You go to the home and you click the plus sign and you click this track workout option. So when you are tracking workout, what it's gonna do is you click start and it will pinpoint, and from there it is just going to start. Okay, so you turn off the screen and put the phone in your pocket, because I'm doing it from my phone, and once you finish your workout, what you have to do is you bring the phone out of your pocket and click pause, and then you click stop. So once you do that, it is going to give you a detailed workout analysis. So how many steps, the calories, elevation, distance, and everything. And this is how you use Google Fit. If you want to see your previous workouts, the option is in journal, where you can just look at all your workouts, right? So I've been using this app for a while, so I have quite a lot of them. But basically you click home plus track workout, and that's how it goes. Make sure you put your weight and height accurately, otherwise it will give you wrong calculations. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, write it in comment or reply. Thank you very much and take care.